Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top-rated products on Amazon. Today, we have an exciting countdown lined up for you, featuring the best-selling styluses that are making waves in the market. Styluses have become indispensable tools for artists, students, and professionals alike, providing precision and ease of use for digital devices. Whether you're sketching a masterpiece, taking notes, or navigating your tablet, the right stylus can make all the difference. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the best-selling styluses on Amazon. Stay tuned as we unveil the top contenders that have captured the hearts of users everywhere. Let's get started. Let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of best-selling styluses on Amazon, the made-for-Amazon replacement tips for stylus pen. Imagine the frustration of a worn-out stylus tip, scratching the screen, causing inaccurate lines. Now picture the smooth glide of a fresh, perfectly crafted tip, restoring your device's performance to its peak. Designed exclusively for the Amazon Fire Max 11 and the Amazon Fire HD 10, both 2023 releases, these replacement tips are not just a convenience, they're a necessity. Precision engineered to work seamlessly with the made-for-Amazon stylus pen, each tip promises to deliver the accuracy and fluidity you've come to expect. But that's not all. In the box, you'll find not one, not two, but 3 replacement tips. Each one is a testament to quality and durability. And to make the replacement process a breeze, it comes with a tip puller, ensuring you can switch out your old tips effortlessly. Your stylus is sold separately, but these tips are the unsung heroes, extending the life of your essential tool. Whether you're sketching your next masterpiece, jotting down important notes, or navigating your device with ease, these replacement tips ensure your stylus remains at the top of its game. Don't let a worn-out tip slow you down. Embrace the smooth, responsive experience of a fresh stylus tip and keep your creativity flowing. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil number 4 in our top-selling styluses on Amazon Countdown, the Kindle Scribe Basic Pen. Imagine a pen that captures the fluidity of ink on paper, yet grants you the precision of digital technology. That's exactly what this pen offers. Designed exclusively for the Kindle Scribe, it delivers an experience so natural, you'll forget you're writing on a screen. High precision and low latency ensure every stroke is instant and flawless, just like the real thing. But don't try it on any other Kindle. This marvel is made specifically for the Kindle Scribe, making it an unparalleled accessory. With the Kindle Scribe Basic Pen, your digital world transforms. Handwrite thoughts on sticky notes within your favorite books, create journals that breathe life into your ideas, craft lists that keep you organized, and mark up PDF files with ease. It's more than a pen, it's a gateway to creativity and productivity. Convenience is key, and this pen doesn't disappoint. It attaches magnetically to the side of your Kindle Scribe, always within reach. Plus, it fits snugly into the secure pen holder of your Kindle Scribe cover, ensuring it's ready when inspiration strikes. No setup, no pairing, just pick it up and start writing. And here's the best part. It's battery-free. No more interruptions to charge, ever. In the box, you'll find the Kindle Scribe Basic Pen, along with 5 replacement tips and a tip replacement tool. Everything you need for a seamless, enduring writing experience. Elevate your Kindle Scribe experience with the Kindle Scribe Basic Pen. Whether you're jotting down fleeting thoughts, annotating your favorite reads, or drafting important documents, this pen is your perfect companion. Let your ideas flow effortlessly and watch your productivity soar. Introducing number 3 on our countdown of best-selling styluses on Amazon, the Kindle Scribe Premium Pen. Picture a tool that blends the tactile pleasure of writing on paper with the futuristic precision of digital technology. This isn't just a stylus, it's an evolution in your Kindle Scribe experience. Exclusively crafted for the Kindle Scribe, the premium pen promises unparalleled precision and minimal latency. It's like writing with your favorite pen, only better. Imagine jotting down notes directly on your digital books, creating vibrant journals, organizing lists, and effortlessly marking up PDFs. This pen transforms your Kindle Scribe into a versatile canvas for all your creative and organizational needs. Convenience is at its core. The pen magnetically attaches to the side of your Kindle Scribe, always ready for action. It snugly fits into the secure holder of your Kindle Scribe cover, so it's never out of reach. No need for setup or pairing, just pick it up and start writing. Plus, it's battery-free, freeing you from the constant worry of charging. But the Kindle Scribe Premium Pen goes beyond the basics. Flip it upside down, and you've got an instant eraser, perfect for quick corrections. Need to highlight or create a sticky note? The shortcut button has you covered, adapting to your needs with seamless ease. It's not just a feature, it's an extension of your thoughts and creativity. Inside the box, you'll find the Kindle Scribe Premium Pen, 5 replacement tips, and a tip replacement tool. Everything you need to ensure a smooth, uninterrupted writing experience. The Kindle Scribe Premium Pen isn't just an accessory, it's a revolution. Elevate your note-taking, journaling, and document editing with a tool that's as intuitive and versatile as you are. With every stroke, feel the fusion of tradition and technology, and let your ideas flow without limits. You enjoying the countdown of the best-selling styluses on Amazon? Well, don't just sit and draw. Subscribe and tap the bell icon to stay in the loop with all our future updates. Keep your creativity flowing. Let's talk about the runner-up in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling styluses, the Kindle Scribe Pen Replacement Tips. Imagine the frustration of a worn-out stylus tip, your once smooth writing experience disrupted by erratic lines and inconsistent strokes. Now envision a solution so simple, yet so effective, it revitalizes your Kindle Scribe Pen instantly. Crafted to work seamlessly with both the Kindle Scribe Basic and Premium pens, these replacement tips are the unsung heroes of your digital writing toolkit. They bring your stylus back to life, ensuring every note, every sketch, every highlight remains crisp and precise. This set includes not just 1 or 2, but 10 replacement tips. Yes, 10. That means prolonged periods of uninterrupted creativity. Swap out an old tip for a new one with ease using the included tip replacement tool. No fuss, no hassle, just straightforward, practical functionality. These replacement tips ensure that whether you're jotting down thoughts, annotating PDFs, or sketching out new ideas, your stylus performs at its best. With every replacement, you regain that fresh out-of-the-box feeling, every stroke smooth and every line perfect. In essence, the Kindle Scribe Pen replacement tips are more than just spare parts. They're the key to maintaining a seamless, uninterrupted digital writing experience. Elevate your productivity, keep your stylus in top shape, and never let a worn-out tip slow you down. Here we are, unveiling the #1 best-selling stylus on Amazon, the made-for-Amazon Stylus Pen for Fire, Max 11 and Fire HD 10 tablets. This isn't just any stylus, it's the pinnacle of precision and versatility, designed to transform your tablet experience into something extraordinary. Imagine effortlessly sketching your next masterpiece, jotting down notes with fluidity, or marking up PDFs with pinpoint accuracy. This stylus does it all. It's compatible with the Amazon Fire Max 11 and Fire HD 10 tablets, both 2023 releases, making it an indispensable tool for creative minds and professionals alike. No need for complicated pairing processes. Simply insert the provided battery, and you're ready to dive into your digital canvas. The stylus attaches magnetically to the side of your tablet, ensuring it's always within reach. It's not just convenient, it's practically magic. Certified by USI 2.0, this stylus supports a wide range of devices. The tilt support of +/45 degrees allows for nuanced shading and dynamic lines, while the 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity give you control over every stroke, from the faintest whisper to the boldest mark. Powered by an avid battery, this stylus boasts up to 6 months of battery life, thanks to its innovative sleep mode feature that conserves energy when not in use. It's reliable, long-lasting, and always ready to bring your ideas to life. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. The stylus with its tip, a avid battery, a quick start guide, a tip puller, and 1 replacement tip. This comprehensive package ensures you're equipped for every creative challenge. the made-for-Amazon Stylus pen for Fire. Max 11 and Fire HD 10 tablets is more than just a tool. It's a gateway to boundless creativity and productivity. Elevate your tablet experience and let your imagination run wild with the ultimate stylus by your side. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling styluses on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.